Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix your Microsoft account sign-in problems. So for example, let us go to Microsoft website, into here. And guys, what you want to do, let me just translate this. Okay, so pretty much guys, just like on any website and Microsoft's website, and the corresponding, of course, login issues are often tied with cookies and two cookies. So if you clear them for the specific website, then you just basically start from a fresh slate, from the scratch, right from a new paper, call it whatever you want, and then you can just reload the website and see if it works. So usually this fixes a lot of issues. So in order to delete your cookies, you can either delete them the browser, globally on the browser, or for your specific website. So you just click on this settings button. So this is going to be the settings for Microsoft particularly. Then you press on cookies and site data, manage on-device site data. And in here, guys, what you want to do is simply click to the trash bin next to Microsoft.com. And this Microsoft also login, as you can see, we have the login issues. So we want to delete the cookies from the login and also login microsoftonline.com. So pretty much just delete all of these, right? So just press on all of these trash bins and then just go ahead, press on done, and then reload the page. And then it should work. And also you can just restart the browser. Just close it and open it up again. And if you want to delete, for example, your cookies globally, you go to settings, then you go to, let me see. So in the settings search, you just type in clear. So as you can see, delete the browsing data, go here, and then uncheck everything. You can delete the cache, for example, and choose cookies and other site data, and all of the cookies in your browser will be deleted. Then you just restart your browser. Then you go ahead and try to log in. So you go to sign in into here, insert, of course, your email or phone number, password, then next. And now, guys, everything should be working. So this should sort you out. If this helped you out, guys, don't forget to like this video. This supports us a lot. And thank you for watching.